Hey friends, and welcome to the Ponds Farmhouse. Today we are going to be making pinecone turkey place card holders, and these are going to turn out so cute. I cannot wait for you to see. So I wanted to just share with you a few of the things that we've already done. First of all, I have taken some pine cones that I have gathered out in underneath our pine trees, and I have spray painted them with a blast of glitter. And some smaller ones to use for the turkey's head. I also have gathered some maple leaves, and I've already pressed those into a book so that they're a little flatter. I pulled some berries off of my Nadinia bush. I've gathered some of my cinnamon sticks together, and I also have a little bit of felt here. So we've got our hot glue gun, our wire, and our wire cutters, and our finger protectors here. So let's get started.